chose Sarah because of her positive experience working with her for our pawn shops. She's very successful, talented, yet down-to-earth and accessible. She's a positive role model. She's the kind of inspiration we want for our customers. These are hardworking people who uphold family values and want a better life. We hope through our service, we can help in the same way.
I am very honored to have been chosen. Salamat po sa tiwala ninyo sa akin. Naniniwala po ako at may tiwala sa Cebuana Pera Padala, kaya sobrang happy po ako na ako ang napili na endorser para sa Cebuana.
Kwento namin dito sa TV ad na to is gusto namin ipakita yung mga customers namin na hindi lang sila basta nagpapadala ng pera nila, pero pagmamahal din nila. So dito makikita ninyo na talagang may puso ang kanilang pera padala.
Well, the mood that we were trying to create was something that's very sentimental. Basically, the idea is really how do you communicate what Cebuana Lohelier does through its networks by sending money. Oh, Sarah's great. Even the way she speaks or the way she moves around, it's very different from working with a traditional actor or a commercial model.
Natuwa ako nung naikwento sa akin yung commercial kasi ang gandang isipin na may kasamang pagmamahal ang bawat pera padala ng mga tao.
Well, after the shoot, we added the hearts digitally during post-production. It took us almost a month to perfect the look of the hearts. We also developed our own music and a stinger which was sung by Sarah at the end of the TV scene.
Kaibigan, I am very proud to present to you my latest commercial with Cebuana Pera Padala. Pinaghirapan po namin ito at pinaganda ng lubusan, kaya sana ho ay matuwa kayo at maibigan niyo ito.
Tungo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, tungo sa kaginhawaan, tungo sa kinabukasan. Dito sa Cebuana, inyong pera padala, may patutunguhan.
Sa Cebuana Lohelier, damang-damang pera padala.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Cebuana Lohelier Pera Padala.